looking to find how you can hide activity in Yubo. As a user of Yubo, privacy becomes your top priority too. Apart from finding new friends, we do want to make sure that we are only sharing what you want. Now, the bad news is you cannot completely hide your activity in Yubo. As of February 2024, there are only few things that you can do to hide your activity. Like for example, you can hide your location and you can also choose whom you want to share your live stream. Let's head over to hiding a location. For that, launch a Yubo app. Now from there, top right corner, there is a profile avatar. Let's click on it. Now at the same place, there is a gear icon. Let's select it. Now there is safety and privacy. Let's select it. So here there is location. If we click on it, we have use my location. If we turn this to on, Yubo users nearby our location will be suggested. But if you don't want to use that feature, just keep this to toggled off, right? And the next thing is sharing live stream with only your friends. Now to do that, we have to go to the live stream. Now from there, go live and enable camera access and continue. Allow. Now tag this live, choose. These are tags that you want to put in the live. Unfortunately, Yubo has removed this feature of sharing live with selected people. So from now on, Yubo Live will be broadcasted to everyone in Yubo. But now you know how to hide location on Yubo. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, and for future video updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Until next time, bye bye.